Now see, the linear equation in two variables, that is the last method to solve the given linear pair of equation. That is a reducible method. It is very important method as far as the exam is concerned. The reducible method to solve the given linear pair of equations. So how we have to solve these two linear pair of equations? By reducible method. The reducible method means we have to reduce these given equations in simple form and then we have to solve this linear pair of equations. It is nothing but the reducible method. So how we have to reduce these equations? Now see, I want to solve these two equations by the reducible method. Now first I want to write these equations like, suppose 5 is there. So 5 is 1 by x minus 1, okay, plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2, okay. Now it is the equation number 1, and ये कैसे होगा? 6 into 1 by x minus 1 minus 3 into 1 by y minus 2, which is equal to 1. Now see, what I done, 5 is the coefficient of 1 by x minus 1. 1 is the coefficient, so let 1 is equal to 2. So these two groups are formed. 1 by x minus 1, 1 by y minus 2. And here also 6 is the coefficient, take outside, it becomes 1 by x minus 1. 3 is take outside, 1 by y minus 2. So these two becomes equal. 1 by x minus 1, 1 by x minus 1. 1 by y minus 2, 1 by y minus 2. So these two are become equal. That's why I written like that. Understood? So now instead of this, I want to put another variable. ये जो equal variables बन गए ना, equal terms. These two equal terms and these two equal terms I want to replace with another variable. Now see, put 1 by x minus 1 is equal to m, any variable in it, and 1 by y minus 2 is equal to n. Okay, m and n I take. So these equations becomes 5 into m plus, instead of this is n is equal to 2, equation number 1, and this equation becomes 6m minus 3n is equal to 1, equation number 2. So it is now in reducible form. These are becomes in reducible form. Now I know how to solve these two linear equations. Now I want to solve these two linear equations by elimination method. Okay, you have to solve these two linear pair of equation in any method under this reducible method. After forming the reducible form, ये reducible form बनने के बाद आप कौन सी भी एक मेथड से ये दोनों इक्वेशन सॉल्व कर सकते हो. ओके, सो मैं एलिमिनेशन मेथड अपनाऊंगा. तो यहाँ पर n का वेरिएबल में कोएफिशिएंट इक्वल करता हूँ. यहाँ पर 1 है, यहाँ पर 3 है. यहाँ पर 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद कोएफिशिएंट दोनों का इक्वल होगा, तो मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन नंबर 1 by 3. तो इट बिकम्स 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद इक्वेशन 1 बिकम्स 3 5 15m plus 3n, 3 2 6, equation number 3 बनेगा. तो now observe 2 and 3, the coefficient becomes equal. The coefficient becomes equal. Now I want to add equation 2 and 3. मैंने ऐड क्यों लिखा? बिकॉज here माइनस है, here is प्लस. ऐड करने के बाद कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. माइनस करने के बाद क्या होगा? ऐड हो जाएगा. इसलिए मैंने ऐड लिखा. नाउ तो 6n minus 3n is equal to 1 and 15m plus 3n is equal to 6. एडिशन करने के बाद साइन चेंज नहीं होंगे। 15 plus 6 is 21m minus plus cancelled is equal to 7 so it becomes, तो क्या बनेंगे 21m is equal to 7 so m is equal to 7 by 21 so m become 1 by 3. M becomes 1 by 3. Now I got the value of m. Put this value of m in any one equation and find the value of n. So I want to put this equation in equation number 1. Put m is equal to 1 by 3 in equation 1. So 5 into 1 by 3 plus n is equal to 2. So 5 by 3 it becomes 5 by 3 plus n is equal to 2. Now I want n only so it becomes minus n. So 2 minus 5 by 3 कुछ नहीं तो 1 तो n is equal to 2 3 is 6 6 minus 5 is 1 and here is 3. Okay, so n value of n is also 1 by 3. So value of n is also 1 by 3. So m and n both becomes 1 by 3 now, but already we have considered m is equal to 1 by x and n is equal to 1 by y. So put this value of m and n in this consideration. Now our general consideration is 1 by x minus 1 is equal to m, but instead of m I want to put 1 by 3, so 1 by x minus 1. So solve this, it becomes 3 is equal to cross multiplication x minus 1. I want x, it is minus, it becomes plus, so 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So value of x is 4. So value of x is 4. Now here value of n is 1 by 3. Now put here 1 by 3. So 1 by y minus 2 is equal to n. But n is 1 by 3. And here 1 by y minus 2. Cross multiply 3 is equal to y minus 2. So y is equal to here become 5. So x is 4 and y is 5. So this is the general method to solve the given linear pair of equation by reducible method. Understood? First we have to reduce these two linear pair of equations in simple form, and again we have to solve these two linear equations in any method, and after getting the value of these variables, now put this value in our original consideration and find the value of x and y. Understood? Thank you.